this Kejriwal, he went to contest election in Punjab. He stayed in the house of a Khalistani commander, ex-Khalistani commander. What was the purpose? He wanted to give the message that yes, as a party, Aam Aadmi Party stand with the cause of Khalistan referendum 2020. And this was the reason why, that Aam Aadmi Party, despite being a new party, they were able to gain, so much seats in Punjab. And till date, 4 years, more than 4 years have passed away. Not a single leader. They have opposed the Khalistan referendum. In fact, many of the member of parliaments and the MLAs of Aam Aadmi Party, they have supported Khalistan referendum 2020 in a very vocal manner. What I say that there is no mechanism, there is no law which restricts Congress to support Tawheed Jamaat or which restricts Aam Aadmi Party to support Khalistan referendum 2020. There is no law or very specific law related to that. And, this is a very dangerous practice, which you can say it is political appeasement, or the other party will say that it is minority rights and all. Again, what I'm saying that when Sharjeel Imam, you take the case of Sharjeel Imam related to that CA thing. He said that, we will choke the chicken neck and we will do. Later on, what happened? That this Quadriga, they said that, Sharjeel Imam is an idiot. And what he said, that was an act of idiocy. Again, I'm referring to a second, opinion of Mr. Saif Ali Khan. He said that India is not a country. Why he said? Because his role was chopped off in a movie and he was agitated for that. So again, this Quadriga will say, he's a film star. The film stars, they don't have that IQ. What I want to make the point that what Sharjeel Imam said and what Saif Ali Khan said, that has references in this Bleeding India conspiracy. India is a broken piece of mirror. This is what V.T. Rajsekhar Shetty has said. India is a broken piece of mirror. This is the same line on which these Naxals are, practicing everything. India is a broken piece of mirror. This is what the proselytization missionaries they say. So if Saif Ali Khan says something out of agitation, you don't give him discount. Why there is similarity between what you have said and the references to the Bleeding India forces? Why there is a similarity between the statement of Sharjeel Imam and what was mentioned in Operation Pin Code of Pakistan? The Pin Code mentions that yes, we will make a demographic change on the eastern borders, and the time will come when we will choke the chicken neck and we will separate Northeast from the rest of India. When we talk about the urban Naxals, you must have read, there are two documents into public domain. One is STIR, Strategic and Tactics of Indian Revolution, which was published in 2004 of CPI Maoist. And again, that was the same paper that was, it came in a much more elaborate manner in 2007. Our work in urban areas, UPUA it is called. So if you go through the 2007 document, it is 13-14 years back thing. You will find that whatever is prescribed in the urban strategy of the Naxalites, the same thing that is happening through Pinjra Tod, that is happening in CA protest, that is happening in farmer protest, that happened in Bhima Koregaon, Bhima Koregaon, if you look at first hand, it seems like a caste violence, the violence between Brahmins and Dalits. No, it was not. When Pune police started investigating, there was a plot to kill the Prime Minister of India. That is what Bhima Koregaon was. And that is what such agencies were involved, the third parties or the third forces were involved, that there was a plan to assassinate the Prime Minister of this country.